Extella runs on your machine, so it can work with your real files, apps, and data. Here is the input field. Every task goes right here. Chat history on the left. Settings down here. Your profile, credits, plans. At the bottom, your device status. The plugin is built into the app. When it says running, it's active, and Extella can execute tasks on this machine. Hit stop in the status bar anytime to cut that access. Now, 3 things worth knowing. First, rules. Rules are how you teach Extella to work with you. Saved applies to every chat from now on. Second, experts. You attach the file. Extella picks up the path automatically. Then just tell it what to do. While Extella is thinking, you'll see a stop button in the input field. That one interrupts the current request. The result is saved to downloads. That expert stays in your library. Same task next time. 1 line. Done. Extella connects to any service with an API. Telegram, Slack, Notion, email, the web. Add your key once in settings, and it's available in every task. Find today's top AI news, summarize it, send to my Telegram. And if you want this every morning at 8 a.m., just say so. Extella will schedule it. Third, concepts. Concepts are long-term memory. Extella saves what worked and uses it in future chats. No mistakes, no need to explain twice. On security, your device ID and PIN are in the status bar. We have no access to your data. Share your device ID only if you want to run tasks remotely from another machine. Rules, experts, concepts. That's all you need.